to show or dress yourself in positive or negative thoughts. Think about thoughts as if they are your clothes. It shows everywhere in your face and the way you talk to other people. So what are your dominant thoughts? Write 3 to 6 thoughts. Is it worry? Is it beautiful? Is it anger? Is it life-giving? Write it down. My predominant thoughts are worries, possibly or possibly not. But that's potential, right? There, a certain energy that you direct. Is it positive or negative? Well, worry is not something that makes you take action, right? When we worry, usually we are in our heads and we don't really do anything except worrying. Okay? In other words, worrying is a waste of your energy because you always produce energy, thoughts.